At Mamata Associates, we believe in building not just structures but dreams and legacies. We are proud to announce our latest project, the Chowdhury Kandi Jame Mosque in Gowainghat, Sylhet, a symbol of faith, unity and architectural beauty. Our team of skilled engineers and architects is dedicated to bringing this vision to life, combining modern construction techniques with timeless Islamic design. At Mamata Associates, we understand the importance of community. That's why we offer free consultation and supervision for any mosque or madrasah project, because supporting places of worship is our way of giving back. From foundation to finishing touches, we ensure every detail is executed with precision and care, maintaining the highest standards of quality. We use only best materials to ensure durability and sustainability for generations to come. This project is not just about building a mosque, it's about strengthening the bond within the community and creating a sanctuary for prayer and reflection.
Do you have a dream project for a mosque or madrasah? Let us help you bring it to life with free consultation and supervision from Mamata Associates. Together, let's build a brighter future. Mamata Associates, your trusted partner in construction and civil engineering.